So far, we have done much on the Nkwen language alphabet. Today, we are going to see letters of the English alphabet. Remember, we are studying from the Nkwen language to the English language. So most of the time, we'll be seeing what's written in the English language. So it will be good we study the both alphabets, the Nkwen language alphabet and the English alphabet. So in this lesson, we are going to name the letters of the English alphabet and also get their sounds. Binete la rumi nyuma ga atene na me mo bong ne la mo bong ne mo Nkwen. Bine bukele ne me mo bong ne mo kare. Buma bine emi ne bong la la kan popo ne bong mo kare. Bo bine ze emi nyum na bong la bo gan jiang ma ru kan popo ne bong mo kare. At imbonga abine kan ze emi mo are mo kare. Bine buzze mo lwen mia. Bine zam lwen mia bine te kan tong ten jijua. Ikan zam zo man jijua yi. Abine zam lwen mia za. Let's name the letters of the English language alphabet. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Good job. Bon. Wolanin tong tish in. Liami mo ngwaar. Mo bong no mo kar. That is the letters of the English language alphabet. We've just got the names. Now we are going to get the sounds. Bine zam lwen mia. Abinet inko wonzo onjiju at song. A B K D A G H I J K L M N O P Q R W, w. X, x. Y, y. Z, z. Ah, bom. We have a G, bom, no cara. Those are the sounds of the letters of the English language alphabet. So we will do more in our next lesson. Bine wo zam nyuma ga ate. Bo nyume mo aramo bong na la bong ma bong no makara. Na ma zir mo mam zong zam.